Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to bend a line in Canva. So it's really easy and simple if you want to bend a line. Right now, pen tool is not available, so I am going to share you a trick. Simply you have to go to the text and click on add a text box. Delete this text and use underscore. Okay, like that. So now you have to click on effects, and here in the shape section you will see the curve option. Simply click on curve. So as you can see, the line is curved now. So in this way you can bend or curve a line in Canva. I hope you like this little tutorial. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.